Okay, these guys are not posing well for pictures today, so I'm going to try to get them on video. So there's Mystery. What a good girl you been! Oh, look at you! What a good girl you are! Alright. And here's Miss Galaxy. She's one of my favorites. Perhaps my favorite. I think she's beautiful. Hi, pretty girl. Well, let me see you. Oh, let me see you. Hi, look at those pretty, pretty blue-green eyes they have. Yes. Look at that. So there's Mystery with all of her mystery colors.
Cool, dude. Well, I'll call you Christmas night.
She is
Alright, sounds good, Wayne.
blue and sable and brindle, and
Thank you, sir. Alright, bye.
you can even see her try in there.
Oh, there you are. Sorry, I was
There she is.
Wayne.
Hold on, hon.
You know who that is? Oh.
And here is, oh, there she goes. Right here, Poppy. They weren't taking very good pictures at all. Okay, there we go. Galaxy. Hi, Galaxy. Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. And Mystery with her mystery colors. Oh, and did I mention that in her tan points that she has some really nice brindling too? So the trendy term for that is trindle, right? I mean, she is definitely a mystery. She's an enigma indeed. Oh, look at you. She has the really pretty blue-green eyes. Some of them have bluer eyes. Some of them have these blue-green eyes. Are you chewing on that stick? You chewing on that stick? Alright. And there's... Oh, Galaxy, yes. Galaxy is... Galaxy also has the tan points. They're shaded by the brindling and the sable. You know she's sable because she's got that mask. Hi, girls. Hi, girls. Alright, well, as you know, our camera only films 2 minutes and 50 seconds, so we're about out of time, folks. Alright, bye, girls. Say bye. Say bye. Oh, see the tan points there? Yep. Oh, beautiful dogs. Oh, is that my glove? Okay. Alright. Okay. Okay. Say bye. Say bye.